Foster and
Come on,
National
Kdka.
Geographic photographer
That's tornado
Christina
warning.
Mittermeier. The series is sponsored by News Radio KDKA and the Spanos Group of Raymond James. Tickets on sale now at PittsburghSpeakers.org.
Did you know that now you can listen to all your favorite stations, including this one, shows and even podcasts, all on...
Weather Bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for west central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over McDonald, 47 miles northwest of Canonsburg, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Upper St. Clair, Scott Township, Robinson Township, Carnegie, Preston, Bridgeville, McDonald, Sturgeon, Nobletown, Oakdale, Heidelberg, Thornburg, Rossland Farms, South Fayette Township, and Collier Township. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Highway overpasses are not safe shelters. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, and Washington.